Hi everyone, I hope you've all been keeping well. My name is Anne and in today's video I want to discuss about Fiverr, how you can earn an extra income through Fiverr, selling a product, selling a skill, doing small tasks and making an extra income. I will show you how you can earn that income whether you have anything to sell or not. Now to start selling in Fiverr, what you need to do is go to Google and type in Fiverr. You will be able to visit this page. You can come in and join by creating your own account, then creating your own profile. You create your profile, that is what sells for you. So you'll indicate the skills that you have or the product that you want to sell. So it's easy, it's free to join. And then even before doing so, you can come here and look at the different categories of what you can be able to offer. So we have graphics and design, digital marketing, writing, video and animation, music and audio, programming, business, fun and lifestyle. There's a lot that you can do and sell in Fiverr, from $5 to hundreds of dollars. So I would advise you that once you start selling, you start small. You can start small, like $5. Then once you start creating clients, once you start getting clients and your service getting demand, then you can hike your price or even have different categories in your pricing. I will show you. We'll go through that shortly. So let's look at these categories. Under graphics and designs, if you have a passion in graphics and design, by the way, you don't have to have gone to school to learn these things. You can just train yourself online on how to do this and get the software. Some softwares are free. So you see under design and under graphics and design, you can create logo, you can create business cards and stationaries, illustration, portraits, cartoons. There's a lot that you can do. Let's look at flyers and brochures. You can see people advertising themselves here. I will design a stunning flyer or brochure for you. This guy is from Spain. He's a top-rated seller. As you can see, he has over 1,000 reviews. So it means this guy sells and he's actually making money. And actually it's simple. He's an expert. As you can see, he's an expertise in graphic design, website design, video editing, motion graphics. In average delivery, he'll deliver your job in 3 days. So I don't know if this can open. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so here we go. So this is part of his profile. This is how he has advertised himself. You see, this is what your profile should look like, or when you're posting a gig, this is how it should look like. As in, like, let it sell for you. Let what you've written here sell for you. Let it be attractive. So you can see he has rated his pricing differently. So under 15, this is basic. You get minimal design, no custom image background, print ready. So delivery time is 7 days, and he's able to earn an income through that. So you can imagine if this guy is selling $15 gigs, so you can imagine how much he has made. You can look for anything. You can do anything in Fiverr. For example, let's do customer service. Let's search for customer service. I've actually sold a service under customer service. So you see this customer support. You can do typing. Someone can send you a document in PDF and they want you to transfer it to Word. So you can charge per page or per words. There's visual assistant, there's call center, there's sales. You see, I will make cold calls, mystery, and customer service. I will be doing your customer service in 3 languages. So if you can be able to, to write, to speak different languages, then you can really do a lot in Fiverr. Yeah, now this is mine. You see, mine is number 3. I will create customer service training material for you. So I signed up, I created a gig, and within 3 days I had someone asking for my training. So personally I had experience in customer service, and so I'm able to sell this. I'm able to sell this product. You can do anything. You can do anything in Fiverr. You can sell anything, even music. If you're good at singing, you can do music and sell here. So let's look at music. Music promotion, music video, music composer. If you're good in writing songs, you can write. I will submit your song to over 25 music playlists. I will review and promote your music. Yeah. If you're good at if you have a good voice, even in speaking, not only singing, you can do voiceovers. Let's check voiceovers. Okay. And you can do it in different languages. I will create a commercial female voice over. Let's see if we can listen into this.
Most of the time, life is all about the journey, but sometimes it's about getting there on time. Like to your sister's wedding. The journey is good, late is bad. Google Maps. When life gets a little heavy and you need help to lighten your load, guide your way, and inspire you back to your outside happy place, REI Co-op is there for you because life is lighter when you #up outside. Dad, when I drive to work, it's time.
So you see, you can if you have a good voice, you can do voiceovers and sell and charge whatever cost that you feel it is worth your voice or is worth your skill. That is what you charge. Of course, as I mentioned, it's important to start small and then you keep growing. So yeah, just check out Fiverr and sign up. So if you don't have any skill or you have no idea on what to do, you can sell products that are available in Fiverr. You buy and sell, and that is under PLR. So just type in PLR there under search, and then you search. So under PLR, there's a lot that you can that is available. You see, I will give 3 million PLR articles. PLR means that you'll be licensed to resell. So these are products that are copyright safe, so you can buy and sell them. So if you're passionate about articles, if you want to get into fitness, there's a lot of products that you can buy under fitness and be able to sell them still in Fiverr. So you can buy these. You see, like this 8 million articles, and then break them down in different different categories, and be able to sell them in Fiverr still. So I will send you 260 fitness and health related PLR products. Yeah. So this looks like ebooks. Yeah, these are ebooks on fitness and health. So you can be able to buy. You buy $5. You can see quite a number of people have bought this product. So you can be able to sell this and then split them. So You can see probably there's some under on weight loss inside there. There's detox, there's weight gain, there's growing muscles. So you can be able to split them and sell them each at $5. So you look at that. Look at that also. It's simple. It's free to join. Yeah, and it's a simple way of making money online. You can start small and focus and eventually make a lot of money. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing for this kind of informative videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.